Hello children, I welcome all of you in today's English session. In today's session we are going to see a new chapter. So let's see. Now we are on page number 7575. So the name of this topic is lesson number 3. It's a funny world. It's a funny world. The word it's means it is. It is the short form of it is. It's is a short form of it's. Now, it is a funny world. We are going to pronounce it as it's a funny world. Now, children, let us see what's there in this topic. Look and say, oh, look at the things in the picture. Do you believe them? Spot the funny things happening in the world. Now, children, we are going to observe this picture very carefully. You can see that the ship is on the railway track. Fishes are on the tree. Fruits are in the sky. The tree has grave in the house. The tree is peeping from the window. Then there are trees in the middle of the road. The fisherman is selling his boat on grass. Then the wheels of the car have clock. Instead of tires, the car has clock. The child is sitting on bicycle. He is riding the bicycle with the tires of car. Then here in this picture, butterflies are swimming in the water. Can you believe? Will this happen? No, these are the imaginary things. Now you are going to spot these funny things in this funny world, and you have to write these things in your notebook, like boat does not sails on railway track but sails in water. Fishes don't swim on tree but in water. Fruits are hanging in the cloud. It is wrong. So, fruits don't hang from the sky but they hang to the trees. The tree does not grow inside the house but outside the house. The car has clocks. It is wrong. So, the car does not have clock. It has tires. For the same another picture, we'll write the same thing. Cycle does not have tires of car but tires of bicycle. Fruits, flowers never grow on the road but they grow in on land. Fisherman sails his boat in the water, not on the grass. In this way, you will write all the answers in your notebook. Now, there's one more activity. You have to build a pyramid. Fish, five fishes. Five fishes live. Five fishes live in the water. Five fat fishes live in the cold water. Now children, you can see that in this first line there's only one word. On second line there are two words. In this way the number of words are increasing with the line. Similarly, you have to practice with the word fruit. You can say fruit, 10 fruits, 10 fruits on tree, 10 fruits on green tree, 10 Mango fruits on green tree. In this way, you can make your own pyramids using another words. So children, do your activity in neat and clean handwriting. Thank you. Bye.